Smart and Multifunctional Welding Gantry HN0630-S3F Bruco. The Welding Gantry is an advanced automated welding solution for both light and heavy beams in the steel structure industry. Equipped with an intelligent CNC system, laser probe, and servo motor-driven welding torch, this system enables high-speed welding on various complex profiles. The torch position and angle are automatically adjusted with high flexibility, allowing the gantry to perform welding in 2F, 1F, 1G positions. It supports welding for HAK beams, box beam, circular arcs, and curved beams, ensuring maximum productivity and superior weld quality. Main components. The HN0630-S3F Bruco is designed with an optimized structure, ensuring durability, high performance, and easy maintenance. Main frame. A robust frame design minimizes vibrations during welding. The gantry structure moves flexibly, adapting to various beam sizes and profiles. Welding power system. Using 6 DC power sources, including 4 MeM and 2 Weldcom units, eliminating welding current interference compared to conventional tandem twin-wire twin-arc welding gantries. Automatic flux recovery system. Minimizes manual operations, reduces operational errors, and prevents torch and beam damage caused by operator negligence. Smart welding torch assembly. Equipped with a modern torch assembly that integrates laser sensor technology for precise guidance and delta servo motors, Taiwan, for automatic torch adjustment according to different beam profiles. This mechanism ensures precise left-right movement, keeping the torch aligned with the beam profile. Additionally, the servo motor allows torch angle rotation, eliminating manual adjustments and enabling seamless transitions between 1F and 2F welding, 45 degrees inclination. This optimizes welding speed, increasing productivity by up to 30% compared to conventional methods. The reduction in manual adjustments enhances production efficiency, ensures consistent, high-quality welds, and minimizes defects such as flange misalignment or web waviness. S2, S3 Welding Technology, Intelligent Control System. The S3 welding technology integrates 6 welding power sources across 2 torch assemblies, each equipped with 3 independently operating wire feeders, enabling high-speed and precise welding. The system is controlled by a Keyence, Japan, intelligent controller, allowing factory management system integration, operator monitoring, and real-time productivity tracking. In S3 mode, the torch assembly automatically adjusts to the 1F welding position for optimal weld quality. 2 District of Columbia 1250 power sources, using welding wire with a diameter of 3.2 mm or larger. Lead the process to ensure deep penetration, increase welding speed, and reduce distortion. 2 1.6 mm wires for maximum efficiency up to 1.4 meters per minute. The system supports welding for HC beams, straight, curved box beams, and displaced welds. Adjustable inclination angles optimize penetration, making it suitable for thick and complex structures. The system integrates a welding parameter database, tested by Bruco on various materials and beam sizes. This allows operators to quickly switch welding modes via a bilingual, English-Vietnamese, control panel. The system supports seamless transitions between S2 and S3 welding, automatically optimizing processes without requiring highly skilled operators. Flexibility in 1F welding position. The machine supports 1F welding for various beam types. HN beams with large thickness, web width up to 1.5 meters, flange width 600 mm, large box beams, up to 2 meters times 0.8 meters, handling large joints without requiring specialized equipment, curved beams and displaced beams. The smart welding torch ensures precise tracking along the beam profile. Flexibility in 2F welding position. The machine supports horizontal 2F welding for both flanges simultaneously, adapting to various profiles such as HAK beams and circular arcs. It accommodates a wide size range, with web widths from 150 mm to 3000 mm and flange widths from 135 mm to 600 mm. Not only does the machine improve welding quality, but it also optimizes workshop space through an efficient beam arrangement under the welding gantry. Beams can be pre-positioned beneath the gantry, maximizing floor space utilization and reducing unnecessary material handling. The system can weld a single beam or simultaneously weld 2 seams on 2 separate beams, significantly increasing productivity. While one beam is being welded, operators can simultaneously prepare the next beam, ensuring continuous operation. As a result, The arc on time reaches up to 90%, maximizing welding efficiency and minimizing idle time. Complete welding from start to end. One key advantage is ability to weld continuously along the entire beam length, ensuring no skipped start or end points. The Smart Welding Torch, combined with laser tracking technology, enables precise alignment throughout the entire beam, guaranteeing a seamless and fully completed weld. This eliminates manual welding corrections, reduces cleaning and rework, and ensures high accuracy and consistency, even for complex beam profiles. With outstanding technology and performance, the Welding Gantry stands out as a smart and multifunctional solution, ensuring optimal weld quality, reducing labor costs, and boosting productivity in steel structure and component fabrication. Trusted by leading steel structure manufacturers in Vietnam, the machine continues to strengthen its position as a flagship product for export, meeting strict international standards from India to developed markets. This opens new opportunities to elevate Vietnam's steel structure industry on the global industrial map.